Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find your IP address in Windows 11 and explain the difference between a local and a public IP address. An IP address is a unique number that identifies your device on a network or on the internet. There are two main types of IP addresses, local and public. A local IP address is used inside your home or office network. Your router assigns it to your PC, phone, or other devices. Local IP addresses usually look like this. They are useful for connecting to printers, remote desktop, game servers inside a local network, network troubleshooting. How to find your local IP address in Windows 11. Right-click on the Start button and open Settings. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. Go to Network and Internet. Select your active connection. And scroll down to find the IP address. A public IP address is the address your network uses on the internet. It's assigned by your internet service provider. All devices in your home usually share one public IP address. Your public IP address is useful for hosting servers, remote access from outside your network, network security checks, checking your internet connection location. How to find your public IP address. To find your public IP address, simply open a browser and search for "What is my IP?" Open the first link. Your public IP address will be displayed at the top. Now you know the difference between local and public IP addresses and how to find them in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.